Welcome to another video, guys. I'll show you how you can launch your own meme coin on Raydium DEX and make hundreds of dollars in 10 minutes. By the way, I'll be sharing a Solana wallet recovery phrase that has 1 Solana in it throughout this video. There will be 12 phrases in total. Each will be visible on the screen for 1 second, so you need to watch the entire video without skipping. Whoever finds all 12 phrases and adds it to their Phantom wallet can take the 1 Solana inside it. Before we get started, let me remind you that this video is for educational purposes only. Rug pulling is illegal and should not be attempted. This video is entirely fictional and made with AI. Alright guys, we are on Photon right now. As you can see, when we choose PumpFun, hundreds of new coins are being created literally every second. That's really bad, because no one will be able to see our coin among these hundreds of newly created coins. PumpFun is very saturated these days and it doesn't really work anymore. On the other hand, if we come to the filters and choose Raydium, you will see that only a few coins are being created every minute. That's really good because compared to PumpFun, we have much higher chance of creating a successful coin. Because of this, we will be creating our coin on Raydium in this video. For this, we will need 3 websites. First one is dexscreener.com. This is where we will find an idea for our meme coin. Second website is called launchsol.io. This is where we can actually create our meme coin that can be traded on Raydium. This website is much better than pump.fun because it allows us to create better performing tokens, unlike pump.fun, where there are a shit ton of coins that are being created every second. Third website is called Raydium.io. This is where we will add liquidity to our meme coin to make it tradable on Raydium. Now let's go back to DexScreener to find a meme idea for our coin. When you are on DexScreener, there are many ways to find a good idea for your meme coin. You can scroll down and check all the good performing tokens that are trending at the moment. One way that I do is I usually come to trending tokens and copy a good performing coin that has huge market cap. The reason we do this is because these coins have already proved that they work and get people's attention. If it worked once, we know that it can work again. You can also go to top tokens tab to see the coins with highest market caps and trading volume. I already know what I'm going to do for my coin, so let's go back to launchsol.io to create our coin. After you are on the LaunchSol website, what you want to do is click on this blue button. First of all, we need to connect our wallet to continue. After that, we are going to type our token name. The coin that I'll be doing is called BUBUBU, a funny meme that has been going very viral on Instagram. I believe it will perform really good. We will leave decimals and supply at default. After that, we are going to upload the image of our token. For the description, you can type whatever you want. I'll just write something like this. For the social links, we can just skip this part because it's not really necessary. You can also skip the creator information part if you don't mind the website's name appearing on your coin's information page. I don't really want that, so I'll change it. Now here comes the important part. If you want your token to look legit and trustworthy, you need to revoke all token authorities. What that means is basically, if you revoke these authorities, you won't be able to mint new tokens, freeze accounts, and update the token's information. If you don't select these options, no one will buy your coin. After that, we are going to click Create Token. Now we will get a pop-up window. You can ignore the warnings and click Proceed anyway. Then we are going to click Confirm, check the I understand box, and then click Confirm again. As you can see, our token is now created. Now we are going to copy our token mint address and go to Raydium. After we are on Raydium, we'll go to the Liquidity tab. We are then going to click on the Create button. After that, we will choose the standard AMM option and then click Continue. Before doing anything, make sure to connect your wallet. After we are on this page, we are going to click on Base Token and paste our token mint address. We are then going to type the same symbol and token name here. After that, we click on Add User Token and then click on it. We are going to hold only 5% of the token supply, so we will put 950 million of our tokens to the liquidity. For the quote token, we will choose Solana. Now this is the most important part. If you want your token to be successful, you are going to want to add at least 1 or 2 Solana to the liquidity. I have around 4.5 Solana, so I will add 4 Solana. The more Solana you add, the better your coin will perform. We are going to leave the fee tier at default 0.25%. After that, we are going to click on Initialize Liquidity Pool and confirm the pop-up. This may take a few seconds here. As you can see, the liquidity pool has been created. Our token will now be tradable on Raydium. To check how our coin is performing, we're going back to LaunchSol and copy our token mint address. After that, we are going to Deck Screener and click on a random token. We are then going to select the last part of the URL and paste our own token mint address. It may take a few minutes for your tokens page to show up on Deck Screener. I'll cut the video here and come back in a few minutes. Alright guys, we are back. As you can see, we got some buys coming in already. Now we just gotta wait for more buys before removing the liquidity. We just got a $120 buy. That's great. While new buyers are coming in, we can go to Raydium to check our token. This is where we will be removing the liquidity. It will take some time for our token balance to show up here, so we are going to wait and check for some more buyers. We just got another buy worth $86. Another one, $68. Let's go. We got another buy of $51. Anyways guys, I'll cut the video here and come back after our token shows up on Raydium. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, our coin now shows up on Raydium. We can now remove the liquidity if we want. I'm obviously not going to do it guys, trust me. And boom, just like that, we hypothetically made around 2 Solana. That's about $400. Please make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below. I'll try my best to answer. That was it for this video. See you in the next one. Peace out.